Okay, the second question. What is phonology to the best of your knowledge? Okay. My answer is, what is phonology? Phonology is a branch of linguistics that focuses on how speech sounds function in a language. It studies how sounds interact, how small sounds change can create different meanings, and how your mind organizes sounds. That's why phonology is different from phonetics. Phonetic studies how sounds are made, while phonology studies how they are used. Okay. Okay, I'd like to explain my answer for assessment 5, understanding phonology. Okay. Okay, the first question. What do you think of these two definitions of on phonology? Are these definitions clear enough to make you understand on phonology? What are your reasons? Phonology as the branch of linguistics that deals with system of sounds, including or excluding phonetic, within a language or between different language. Phonology is the study of how speech sounds are organized and how they function in language. Okay, my answer is about the two definition of phonology. In my opinion, both definitions are clear because they explain phonology as the study of sound systems in a language. According to Dr. Kaharudin, phonology is about how speech sounds are organized, patterned, and used to create meaning. So, phonology is not just about how we make sounds, but about how those sounds works together in communication. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introducing myself. My name is Faza Atiillah. My student ID number is 20400125042. Okay, the next question. Phonology studies how speech sounds are organized. What does this statement mean? Okay, my answer is, phonology studies how speech sounds are organized. What does it mean? It means that phonology looks at how sounds are arranged to form words and meanings. For example, the P sound in pin and spin is a bit different, but it's still the same phoneme. So, phonology studies the rules and patterns that make sounds meaningful in a language. Okay. Okay, the next question. There are two types of sounds patterns. What are they? Please explain your answer. Okay, my answer is two types of sounds patterns. There are two types of sounds patterns. Contrastive and non-contrastive sounds. Contrastive sounds can change meaning like pin and bin. Non-contrastive sounds don't change meaning, and if the pronunciation is a little different. For example, the P in pin and spin. They show how phonology studies but meaningful and non-meaningful sounds difference. Okay. The 5 questions. What do you know of minimal pairs? Explain your answer and give examples. Okay, my answer is, what are minimal pairs? Minimal pairs are words that only differ by one sound but have different meanings. For example, fan and fan, tap and sap, ship and ship. They help us identify contrastive sounds in a language. According to Dr. Kaharudin, learning minimal pairs can also improve our listening and pronunciation skills. Okay. Okay, the last questions. How many types of minimal pairs can you record, record, recognize? Explain your answer and give examples. Okay, my answer is types of minimal pairs. There are two types of minimal pairs. Consonant minimal pairs like pen and bean, fun and fan, and vowel minimal pairs like sit and sit, but and bit. We can also find minimal pairs based on sound position, initial, medial, or final. For example, game and cam initial, pepper and pepper medial, bet and bet final. This shows that just one small sound difference can completely change the meaning. Okay. So from this chapter, I learned that phonology is not only about producing sounds, but also about how those sounds are organized and function to create meaning in a language. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.